On your mobile phone, look for your Google app and open it. As you open your Google app, you will see 3 vertically aligned dots on upper right corner of your screen. Click it. Setting will be displayed on your screen, then look for desktop site option and click the box to check it. After it, you may start typing web.skype.com on the web address search bar, then it will take you to Skype login form. Make sure first that the desktop site option is checked in your setting, then you may log in your Skype account. After logging in, go to your group chat and look for the links sent by the IT department on your group chat, then click it. You will be directed to the video itself, where you can download the video directly by clicking the download icon on the upper left corner of your screen. Once you click it, a download notification will show at the bottom of your screen. You will also see a downloading notification on the upper left corner of your screen. Drag down your finger from top to bottom of your screen to see the actual progress of your download. After your download is finished, you can click your downloaded video directly on your notifications to open and watch it. You can also go to your File Manager app on your mobile phone. Look for Download folder and open it. You will see your downloaded files there. Click the video to open and watch.